Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to trade gold on Tradovate using the future market. This is an excellent way to gain exposure to gold prices because the future market offers high liquidity and low day trading margin, which makes it accessible even for traders with smaller accounts. Today, I will walk you through the process of finding the right symbols and placing your first trade on the platform. To get started, you need to open your Tradovate dashboard on your computer or mobile device. If you are new to the platform, I highly recommend starting with a simulation account so you can practice without risking any real money. Once you are logged in, you will need to add a gold instrument to your workspace. So you can do this by clicking the plus icon and selecting a chart or a quote board. In the search bar, type the letter G and the letter C for the Standard Gold Futures contract, or type MGC for the Micro Gold Futures. The micro contract is usually a better for beginners because it represents only 10 ounces of gold, while the new standard contract is for 100 ounces. You will also need to select the correct month code for the current trading period. For example, the letter J is often used for April and letter Z is used for December. Make sure you select the contract with the highest volume to ensure your trades are executed quickly. To place a trade, you can use the order ticket or the depth of market module. If you believe the price of gold will go up, you will click the buy button to go long. If the price of the market will drop, you click the sell button to go short.